We talk about how can you select custom songs on your Zoom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here above your photo profile or your image, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notifications and sounds, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list here. You found here calls ringtones here, just click on it. And here can you select ringtones here or ringtones volume in this list on your Zoom app. You click here on meeting here. So then here can you select your ringtones here, and here can you add your contacts. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.